Olivia Attwood will be gutted to miss out on the opportunity of her career, according to an ex-campmate. X Factor star Jack Quickenden, who came runner-up in Series 14 of I'm A Celebrity. Get Me Out of Here, has said that Olivia would have been great at grilling Matt Hancock. Speaking on a Facebook Live with the Mirror, Jake said, "It's a massive talking point because she was a lot of people's favorite to win the show. I know personally, I've met her a few times and she's a great girl and she's got some good banter. She's not in any way shy to speak her mind. I think she would have been great in there with Matt coming in. It's a real shame and it's going to be interesting to find out what has happened. It's gone a bit quiet since she's left and we've not really found out a reason as to why, but I do know how devastated she will be." Love Island favorite Olivia had to leave the show after just 24 hours on medical grounds. She had to leave the show to have a medical check, but that meant the show's strict COVID bubble was broken, meaning she could potentially infect others. She had been given this huge opportunity. "It's probably the biggest opportunity of your career to go into the jungle," Jake said. "She will be absolutely gutted and I think a lot of viewers will be devastated as well because, as I said, she's a huge character. We all know and love her from Love Island, where she spoke her mind a lot and she caused a lot of drama on that show. It's very disappointing. For Olivia to rejoin the show she would need to head back into isolation for another week, which ITV bosses have called impossible." A TV insider told The Sun, "It was felt this would be too much time to spend away from the competition and potentially place her campmates at a disadvantage to her. Obviously viewers at home couldn't include her in any votes, including selecting them for different challenges during the series. Olivia would have been going back in almost halfway through the series, which simply wasn't fair." Whilst Olivia might have missed out on sitting down and having a frank conversation with the former health secretary, many of the other campmates have given it a go. Do you enjoy reading about celebrities? Sign up for all the best celeb news from the Mirror here. Shortly after entering camp, Loose Women's Charlene White took him aside and asked him why he had signed up for the show. Matt has so far been chosen for every trial and will be joined by Owen Warner in tomorrow's installment. Do you have a story to sell? Get in touch with us at webcelebs@mirror.co.uk or call us direct 0207 29 33 033.